just be the wind.
Could be.
I noticed it was close to that.
Something on here. It's Monday, December 19th, 2016. We're down here at the Marina, but it's about 20 below today too. Come on, baby, take that bait. We need a fish. Yeah, it hasn't moved since that pike's been up. Oh, there he is, nice and lively. Yep.
False alarm.
False alarm, huh?
Was the wind. Heavy wind out here today.
Heavy wind. Too windy.
Alright, we'll try again.
Ain't spot one yet.
The wind is picking up.
I got it set on a heavy setting on the inside though. The wind's blowing it into the shaft, so it doesn't spring.
It is brutal out.
Come on, baby. Daddy needs a fish, man. Go even. Oh, there he is. He's nice and lively yet.
The wind again. Tricked by the wind.
You did a ball spin on that baby.
Oh, nothing. Not even a bite.
We're out here on the Sheboygan River by the 14th Street Bridge today. It's Thursday, December 22nd, 2016 in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. And we had just set up. We've only been here about 10 minutes. And we got one already. Oh, he feels heavy too. Yeah, man. That was quick, and a large golden shiner, man, from Anglers Avenue. It was huge, size of a chub.
Yeah, that was our biggest golden shiner we put on this one. This is our big northern rig setup.
It sure is.
Don't know if it's a northern though.
Oh
but
yeah. There's about 4 inches of ice out here on this body of water out here on the river today. We fished it the last 2 days, only had one flag yesterday.
Yeah, we're at the 14th Street boat launch.
Yeah, man. And a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's to all our subscribers.
Yeah.
And followers.
Yeah.
And friends.
Yeah, we want to...
I'm hoping this is a steelhead, guys.
Yeah, we wanted to catch a fish here while there was some ice made the last week with all that cold weather.
He's heavy. He's good size, man. I'm not sure what it is, but he's heavy.
Because this ice might be busting up here in the next couple of days. Do you want your gaff?
No. We're gonna hand this dude. Whoa, yeah, he's not happy. I think this might be a rainbow the way he's cruising all over. Let him take that out, boy.
We were hoping for a bigger fish. We caught a lot of 1-2 pound rainbow trout here lately.
Oh yeah, baby. Daddy's got a fish. I hope nothing takes my...
Oh, he's close now.
Oh, it's a big northern.
Oh, it's a nice
It's a
northern.
nice
He's
northern.
a keeper. He's going to be a keeper.
Ooh, look at him go. Whoa, baby. He does not like that hole.
He saw us.
Danger, stranger.
Yeah, he saw us and he took off.
He sure did, boy. He is not happy.
Yeah, this is definitely a keeper.
Oh, yeah. Come on, northern pike is on the menu tonight.
Yeah, they got to be 26 inches here in Sheboygan.
Yes, they do. Up to the first dam.
And
Sheboygan County.
you can catch 2 a day. Is the limit.
I was hoping this was a steelhead.
Yeah, well, or a northern. That's
Yeah.
your favorite fish to eat.
That's my favorite fish to eat. Oh, he is not happy.
Yeah, this guy's definitely a keeper, though.
Oh yeah, he's got some weight to him, man. He's got a little fight to him. Look at this guy.
There we go.
Oh, it's a beaut.
That is a beauty.
Woo-wee. Look at him go. All right. That's a lunker. That's a lunker, guys. I'll get my gaff. I got some measurements on my gaff. We'll see how big he is.
Yeah, this is a beauty. This is a beauty.
So what I did is I just took got this gaff and I took a tape measure and I marked off legal size limit for Sheboygan here, 26 inches, but this one's actually at 26 and a half to be on the safe side. Then I got a 30, a 34, and a 37 at the end of the gaff. So let's see what this big boy is. If he wants to cooperate with me. No. He's like, leave me alone, you guys. 34 inches. Look at that. Not quite. They're almost. With the tail pinch, about 33 and a half.
Beautiful.
Beautiful fish, man. We are on the board, bro.
Well, good job.
Look at this guy's belly once. Get a nice close-up of that. Let me get out of the sunlight there. Look at all that red in that, how coarse he is. Let's rinse this guy off.
Why don't you get...
There we go. There we go. We're going to keep this guy, but we're going to rinse him off a little bit. Look at the size of that guy, huh?
Wow.
Let me try to get him up this way a little bit for you guys. Nice size, ain't he? Beautiful northern pike, man. Beautiful. He really took off with that bait, man. He's got a nice belly. Oh, he's too slimy.
You stay down. You can just twist
Yep, there you go. My hands are frozen.
Yeah, take a break.
That's all you get.
Take a break.
Yep. Beautiful northern pike. And look at the feed bag on this guy or girl. Nice and chunky. And nice and slimy. That slime's dripping everywhere. Look at that beautiful chartreuse colors on its gills over there. It's a beautiful fish, man. A predator. Nice little predator right here. Nothing's got an attitude like a pike. Beautiful fish. We're gonna fillet this guy up. We're gonna have some beer battered pike. Beautiful fish. Nice broad forehead on him, huh? Yeah, it's a nice guy. Look at that nice red and orange on his tail back there.
Oh yeah.
He's got some beautiful colors. Well, we'll show you the setup we got on this Polar Tip-Up Gold Series that we got. It's a Fleet Farm special.
What a beauty.
What a beautiful fish. 33.5 inches. We got this nice Ice Master Gold Tip-Up with the heavy settings on there. It's an HT. And we got some 40-pound test here, dark green twine line. It's called the Angler's Connection. We're gonna reel this up so we can show you guys the setup.
And we set this one up. This is our heavy duty northern setup.
Yeah, this is the one we use for all our northerns.
It's got the heavy setting.
Otherwise, sometimes when you use a nice size sucker or a really big golden shiner, they just keep setting the flag. They trip it on you all the time.
Show them your heavy setting there. Yeah, it's a little bit different than some of them. It's got the heavy setting.
It's a deeper groove. Then we got a 3/8 ounce split shot on that 40-pound test twine line. We got a purple bead as an attractant. And we got a 1/0 hook.
Beautiful.
It's a mustad hook.
And that is the one we set up strictly for our big northern.
Wait till we'll put another large golden shiner on here and put them back down there for number 2.
We put our biggest golden shiner. We got some large golden shiners today from Anglers Avenue. And we put our biggest one on today. And that fish struck
and he took
probably
that,
about
baby.
15 minutes after we had it in the hole, maybe 10. We just got it set up.
Look at the size of this guy. Let me grab this up here once. That's a heck of a nice golden shiner, man. He's big. We're fishing about 10 feet deep here today, right off the bottom. A little deeper over here than what I even thought. About 10 to 12 feet. I used a depth finder, you know, a 1.5 ounce.
Yeah, and our ice thickness here has been about 4 or 5 inches.
Yep. It was more on Monday or Tuesday when we came here. We had about 6 to 7. There we go. We're set up again. I can put this on the light setting actually because that golden shiner ain't that strong really. Not compared to a nice 6/8 inch sucker. They'll just keep setting that light setting on you. All right.
Yeah, we were at the we were able to get on the public boat launch at the Marina Sunday and Monday.
Yeah, 2 days.
We had west winds and we had about 8-10 inches out there.
Yep.
And then we got a heavy south wind by Tuesday, and that busted up that boat launch area a little bit, so you couldn't cross out to get on that ice sheet. Oh. And so we came over here to the 14th Street boat launch, and we've had about 5 inches of ice out here. And I don't know how long it's going to stay thick with all the warm weather we're going to get, but we wanted to put in a couple of good days yet before this could possibly bust out of here over the weekend.
I'm going to start jigging.
Well, good job.
Yeah, man.